Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Finally, we received the latest wearable from Infinix, the Infinix XBand XW4B model. On this video, we are going to have the unboxing review of its design, the specs, and the UI of the XBand 2025. So this is the latest wearable from Infinix, and it is also the latest smart band from the company. So if you are interested to know more about the Infinix X band, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and explore the Infinix XBand XW4B model. So this is the packaging of the Infinix XBand, and when we received this one, I'm impressed with the design here. Premium looking. I like the packaging, very durable, and it looks premium, very fashionable. It looks elegant, and we have some details here, a preview of the band. The tagline here is "Stay chic, stay healthy." So we expect it to be fashionable and at the same time loaded with health functions. So we have here some features on the side, the specs, and at the back we have the full specifications as well as the QR code of the support app. So we have here a 12 months warranty from Infinix. We have the website as well as the email for any support if you need a support for the wearable. Okay, again, very good packaging for the Infinix X band. And now let's explore the package contents. So let's remove the plastic here. Hopefully we still have a juice left or battery left for the wearable, so we can check out the UI of this fitness tracker. We will check the specifications later on, and the dimension, the weight, as well as the UI. So let's check out the package contents of the Infinix X band. So where do we check? Okay, so I guess you have to push this or pull. As you can see here, seems like we do have a free strap. Nice packaging here. So we have two straps. Both are flexible silicone strap with stainless steel buckle. We have here the fitness tracker, body frame, and we have, so this one, the user manual and the charging cable. So we have, let's see, so we have the user manual here, pogo pin, the charging cable, and we have the user manual. So this one, okay, just a sticker here, scratch to reveal your lock. Okay, later on. Again, the package contents, the user manual, this one, warranty card, the smart band, the straps, and the charging cable. And we have a somewhat like a, what's this? I don't know if it is a sticker or a promo. We'll check later on. Next, let's check out the body weight as well as the dimension before we attach this strap. Let's remove first a plastic here. So let's check out the weight before we attach the strap. We have 24.92 or 25 grams without the strap. With the strap attached, we have 36. Okay. Very lightweight, as you can see here, less than 50 grams. So for the dimension, let's have the length first. We have 45. For the width, without the button, it is around 29.6, or I guess it's 29, let's see, 29.4. Then for the thickness here, without the sensor, it is 8.8. Here on the packaging, let's see, so it says 8.9. Okay, so 8 point, again, yes, it is around, I guess it's around 8.9. So let's attach the strap. Let's pick this one. See if we can attach this easily. Then we will check out the design to be followed by the specifications. Then we have at least another strap available for the wearable. Okay. Then for the size of the strap, let's see. So 17, maybe this, I think this is 18 millimeter. So for the design, as you can see here, the crown button here and the pill-shaped button looks like the Ultra, inspired by the Apple Watch Ultra. We have, I think this is a metal body frame, plastic back cover with the Infinix branding. We have a brush finish, black color. To be honest, I like the design here. Very unique. And it looks premium, much better compared to other wearable in its price range. Again, here's the design of the wearable. It's beautiful, to be honest. I like the style here. Let's check out if there's a power left. Then we'll check out the specifications. Power on. Yes, we still have English. Skip, and that's it. So for the specifications, let's have the specs. I'm going to put it here later on. We have a 1.57 inch TFT screen display, 200 by 320 pixel resolution, IP68 waterproof rated, 230 mAh battery with a 2 hours of charging time. It is using the My Health app that is available on Android and iOS. So the material here, as you can see, Infinix put it here, very detailed description for its body frame. We have 20% metal, 45% board, 35% ABS and PC. Again, here are the specifications. And here's the complete one. I'm going to put it here. And that's it. Next, let's have the UI. Again, we have here crown button. So seems like it's not rotary. I guess this is a return button. Or yes, it is a sports, dedicated sports button. For the UI, on top we have the settings and options. On the bottom part, we have notifications similar to other wearables. We have the menus, swiping from right to left. And we have the widgets. So this one, it is a home button. Let's see if we can move. Okay, you cannot use this to scroll on the menus. It's just power on, home, and return button. This is the dedicated sports button. So that's it for our unboxing review of the Infinix XBand XW. Again, the model is XW4B. If you have any questions regarding this wearable, drop a comment below. And of course, support our channel. Like, share, and subscribe.